Hi Ziba. Looks like some people only have joined, so that I will start so that you can share the video later. Uh, Hi, I'm Kalpana Malya from Bangalore. And Oriflame has been a passion with me, and I'm doing this business for the past 24 years now. I would like to share that I'm from Mumbai basically. And after marriage, I got settled down in Bangalore. And then I had to quit my job when I came to Bangalore. So it was a complete different life for me in Bangalore. So I was wondering what to do, and I had a lot of free time, and I was only pursuing my hobbies. So Oriflame came into my life, and it really transformed my life. So it has been a very pleasurable and very nice journey for me for the 24 years. Actually, to tell you frankly, I don't feel that I'm here for 24 years, because it has been one amazing and one lifetime is not enough for me to tell how good it was for the past 24 years. It has definitely transformed my personality and made me into a businesswoman. To tell you what I have gone through is really, really wonderful, because everybody has dreams. I also had a lot of dreams of traveling around the world. I had something like, once I left the job, to have my own identity. That was the main thing. To be called as Kalpana Malya, to be called, I wanted to be an achiever. I wanted to make my own money. I wanted to take my family all over the world. These are all things I can relate to, because Oriflame, knowingly or unknowingly, I joined. But I thank the opportune moment and my upline who brought me into Oriflame world. Sometimes they say universe also acts as a thing, like definitely when things have to happen, good things have to happen, it will happen automatically, but you have to dream for it so that it will come together, and you have to take action. That's the main thing. So at that moment, when after I took the Oriflame opportunity, it was really great, because it has changed my world. In Oriflame, you get look great with the wonderful products of Oriflame, make money, and also have fun. So I have started step by step. In fact, I told you, since 24 years. So starting with the selling of the products, and sponsoring people. In fact, I can proudly tell you, at every given point of time, as in earlier years, I'm the top one recruiter in India. I was. And even to this day, I do personal recruits and group recruits, many of them. So, selling and sponsoring is what Oriflame business consists of, and I really enjoy doing Oriflame business, because it has been. I enjoy every step, because it's a passion with me. They always say that something what you like and enjoy doing, you will not feel you are in work. With me, it is like that. So, in Oriflame, with through business, this business opportunity, I have changed lives of thousands and millions of people in my network. Okay. And I have my own club called the Galaxy of Stars Club, wherein we do a lot of. We are like one family, Oriflame business family, and we do a lot of teamwork. And we teach training programs, whoever has come new or existing. We have groups going where we teach digital business, we teach about wellness, or how to take care of yourself. We teach about makeup, we teach about color cosmetics, about how to do your own facial, and so many. We have in Oriflame something called a business academy. Okay, so that Oriflame academy teaches you everything, that you will be a trained beautician, wherein you will get to learn so many things. Okay. And here we have even done something called mega event. We did a 1000 people event in Bangalore. So to do a 1000 people event, it is not easy. Okay. So it gives you so much to find out your own potential and to be your best. Yeah. So many times we feel that direct selling business, people think it is only selling. It's not only selling, trust me, there is much more to it. It changes your personality. It teaches you so many training skills, marketing skills. Even in my Galaxy of Stars group, we do so much of prospecting and teach them how to recruit and so many other things. So as a person, when you are joining in our group, in our team, as a housewife, you are changing your entire personality and you become emerge as such a dynamic person. And that's what Oriflame teaches us. So it's a wonderful experience of not only taking care of yourself, you learn about to take care of your beauty and to share these color cosmetics and beauty products with others. At the same time, you will learn lot of training skills you will have, and lot of achievements you will have. And if you target based self set targets we have to do, and the kind of amazing recognitions which the company give is too good. It's like you can almost compare it to Filmfare Awards. You're standing and so many people clapping for you. The feeling of achieving on your own, it's a really wonderful, great experience. Okay, and that's what you get in Oriflame. So to earn money, to sell, marketing skills, and so many things you get. Okay, so talking about, you also get to go to different conferences within India and international conferences also. I have been a recipient, like I have gone to more than maybe hundreds of conferences within India and more than 25 conferences internationally. Not only myself, but with my family, I get an opportunity to go to international destinations twice a year. So it is a great feeling, and we don't have to spend anything. Wonderful destinations like Rome, Spain, all European destinations, and to US also. I have gone to even Dubai and so Australia, so many places, and in a year we get two. So each place they will put us up in 5-star hotels, and it's such a wonderful experiences. 5-star, 7-star hotels, and absolute luxury. So this is what Oriflame gives you. That's why I said not only me, but I have more than 5,000 people in my group, in my entire network. So these ladies from a real housewife, not knowing anything about business, they transform their lives and they are earning in their own way. Something like starting with 2,000, 3,000 to there are people in my group who are earning lakhs of rupees. So is it the question that would you like to join my Galaxy of Stars group and be part of all of us and enjoy it, create a lot of friendship, earning, learning, and so many other things. So it's a wonderful experience. So it is like amazing journey I have been in Oriflame, and it's like each and every step I have kept step by step I have done this, built up my general empire. And today I would like to tell you that because of my hard work, dedication, focus, I'm number one in Karnataka, and proud to tell I'm number one in Bangalore. So with the pandemic coming, we have really changed our working style. Earlier I was a complete offline leader. We used to do home meetings, home demos, we used to book halls and do, but right now we are doing 100% digital, to play it safe, for not only for us but for others also. So we are working digital, and we are also giving lot of digital training classes to my entire network who are there. So digital is the key now, and also wellness, to build immunity, to we have a lot of wellness products. So these also we are sharing with a lot of people. So talking with all this Oriflame business, I have fulfilled so many of my dreams, like buying a car. Who doesn't like to travel? I also like to travel. So with my own income, we go to for family outings. I have purchased my own house in Bangalore. So it feels wonderful to achieve things on our own. not only me, but there are so many other people in my network who have earned money and who have fulfilled so many of their dreams. So and all this you can do in there are a lot of benefits also, like joining Kelly. We don't have any joining fees. All you have to give is you can be either a VIP customer or you can be a brand partner. If you are a brand partner, you will definitely have to submit your any of the KYC documents. And you can work in your flexible hours. There is no set time. If you have a young baby or you are working, you want to do part-time business, full-time business, choice is yours. You can do wonderful staying in your comforts of the home, because now, because of the pandemic, everything is digital. So work from home. If you have a smartphone or you have a laptop, you can do wonderful business and reach anyone in any part of the world. Let me tell you. So we do business in India. I have my network spread into entire, mostly Karnataka and Delhi. Also, I have some people. So, and Mumbai also I have some of the discussions. So all over India, you can say most of the majority of the people in my network are in Karnataka, small places. And the pleasure of earlier, I used to go to each and every, like Davangere, Shimoga, Koppala, and so many other small places, towns of Karnataka. We used to go and we used to enjoy, stay for 2 days, meet lot of ladies, transform their lives, give them earning opportunities. So that's what Oriflame does to you. So it's a very nice experience we have of changing people's lives for the better, of showing them the way. There are so many housewives who are there who want to do something. They feel like doing something, but what to do? Many times there is a mind block that direct selling is difficult. It's not difficult, trust me. It gives you all the liberty to find out what you are, how to do everything. For each and everything, we give training at every step, and there is no two ways about it. So and working in flexible hours for as housewives, I think it is the best. Okay. And for all doing the business, we get lovely trainings. You don't need to be a you don't have a boss. That's the main thing. You can choose your own hours. You can choose what targets you want to set. You want to reach, sky is the limit for you to earn. You can earn in lakhs and millions also, but you have to decide how much you want to earn. So it's been a wonderful journey for me, and whoever wants to join Oriflame can definitely join this. It's a beautiful business. Direct selling industry is doing very well, and it's a complete business opportunity, especially in the pandemic. Now people have lost their jobs, and many are getting half pay cut like that. So here we have a wonderful business opportunity, which does not say you have to invest anything, right? You can take only for your personal use, and you can joining, there is no fees. So whoever wants to join should join Oriflame business, because it's a great business where you can earn money depending on the number of hours you're putting. You will get part-time or full-time, whatever it is, earnings will be equivalent. At the same time, you will develop your personality and you will feel good doing something. So people are transforming their lives in 6 months to 1 year. There are people who are earning 30,000, 40,000 rupees, right? So starting with me, like starting with a 500 rupees check to a 6-figure income, what I'm earning now, is my own hard work, dedication, and my dream come true. Today I am financially independent. I can do whatever I want with my money, right? At the same time, I can fulfill my dreams of whatever I want to buy or whatever, wherever I want to invest. I don't have any boss. I'm the boss for myself, right? So that's what Oriflame business gives you. So it's a wonderful business opportunity, changing lives of people, not only in India, but all over the world. So here's me telling you that I have enjoyed every bit of Oriflame, look great, making money, and have fun, and changing people's life. So any questions, you're most welcome to ask. So there are some people who have joined. So it's been a wonderful journey indeed for me. Okay. So, it's like generating alternative income is a great opportunity. So everybody can enjoy. I'm ready if anybody's questions are there. Okay, there are no questions. Thank you so much. And we'll meet again sometime with more opportunity and more different topics so that you can learn, earn, and be happy always. Be smiling. Thank you. Sorry.